In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set signing order in Zoho Sign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who signs first, second, and so on, so your documents move smoothly through the right people in the right order. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Zoho. From the search results, go to Zoho's official site. If you already have Zoho bookmarked, you can use that. The key is to get to Zoho's main dashboard so you can access your apps. Sign in to your Zoho account using your usual credentials. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Once you're in, you'll see the Zoho app launcher or dashboard with a list of apps available to you. From the app list, choose Zoho Sign. This opens the e-signature workspace where you can prepare and send documents for signing. On the Zoho Sign home screen, look for the option labeled Send for Signatures and click it. This starts a new document workflow. Upload the document or documents you need signed. You can pick files from your computer or connect to cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. PDFs are ideal, but common formats like DOSIX are supported as well. Make sure the file is the final version before you proceed. In the Add Recipient section, enter the name and email address for each signer. Add everyone who needs to sign the document. Double-check spelling and email accuracy here. Mistakes at this stage can delay your workflow. Turn on the option labeled Send in Order. This is crucial. Enabling it makes the signing process sequential, so the document goes to the first person you designate, then the next, and continues in the exact order you define. Arrange the order by dragging and dropping recipients. Use the slider or handle icon beside a recipient's name to drag them up or down until the list reflects the sequence you want. This is a quick visual way to set the flow. If you prefer a more precise method, assign a numeric position next to each recipient's name, like 1, 2, or 3. The numbers determine who receives the document first, second, and so forth. Make sure there are no gaps or duplicates in the numbering. Next, place the required fields. Add signature, date, initials, or text fields onto the document, and assign each field to the correct recipient. Most interfaces color code recipients to help you see who is responsible for which fields. When everything looks correct, click Send. Your recipients will be notified in the order you defined, and you can track progress from your Zoho Sign dashboard.